Hello and welcome back to Mr. Mulher Music. Now, you may notice I'm not in my normal studio. That's because we're going to do something a little bit different today. I want you to be able to listen to some of these sounds and use them in your music. You are going to compose a piece of music for an adventure. So you could be exploring a forest, a rainforest, a jungle, and I want you to use all of those different sounds in your music. So let's think about it a bit more. You've got bird sound. You've got running water. You've got wind. You might even have rain. You need to try and find a way to get all of these different sounds into your piece of music. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to do a journey. We're going to start our journey by getting ready, setting off on our journey to wherever you want to go. So you're going to use percussion instruments, and you need to think really carefully about which instruments you use for which different sounds. So you're setting off on your journey, and what can you hear? So you might want to try and include some bird song, thinking about instruments then that are really high in pitch to try and get the same kind of sound. What else can we hear? Well, it's quite windy today. I don't know if you can hear the wind. So you might want to include some instrument that sounds a bit like wind. So something that maybe shakes and rattles. So once you've set the scene, you need to explore. You need to find all those different sounds that make the place you're doing your music for. And then something needs to happen. I think there needs to be a big storm. There needs to be rain, wind, thunder, lightning, all of those scary things that happen when it's really, really stormy. So you're going to need some drums. You're going to need some maybe miraculously the rain sound, anything that shakes, maybe some cymbals or some big crashes. And then, after your storm, we're going to go back to where you were before. You're going to look around you to see what has happened afterwards. Is it still nice? Have trees fallen down? Is it really difficult to walk because there's lots of mud or lots of things in your way? And that's how your piece of music's going to end. So a quick recap from my lovely noisy place here. You need to write a piece of music in groups. It needs to have a story, starting off on an adventure, going on your adventure, setting the scene of all the different sounds you can hear, getting to the middle of your story where there's a big storm, something dramatic happens, and then comes back down to being nice and calm again. So that's what I'm looking for. Good luck on this task and have fun.